Pagod ka na bang magpanggap na malinaw ang lahat sa buhay mo? Para sa mabugang buhay, tayo na po't magkape at pandasal. Ever feel like you have to have a perfect take on everything? Between school and social media, there's this massive pressure to look like an expert before you're even started. But honestly, nakakapagod itong pagpapanggap na alam natin ang lahat. It's okay to not have all the answers. In fact, the smartest thing you can do is admit when you're lost. There's a weird kind of freedom in being a beginner again, to just be childlike and curious without worrying if you look cool or correct. When you stop trying to prove how much you know, you finally leave room to actually learn something that changes your life. Don't let the fear of looking clueless keep you from the very wisdom that could set you free. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, tulungan mo akong tanggapin na hindi ako perpekto. Sa halip, maging payapa akong laging natututo sa aking mga hindi ko alam. Amen.